Hey friends, if you wish to fix keyboard input lag on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. We will stick to three solutions only. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the accessibility tab, scroll down keyboard. Make sure all these three switches for sticky, filter and toggle keys are off. Then search for device manager, open the device manager, expand the list for keyboards and right click and update the drivers for the keyboards. If this doesn't help, then straight away perform clean boot. Search for system configuration in the search bar and go to system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply OK and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.